Few animals strike as much fear into people as venomous snakes. Although the chances of running into a venomous snake, much less being bitten and dying from the toxin injected into one's body, are minuscule compared to dying from cancer, heart disease, or an automobile accident. This seemingly unreasonable fear remains very real for many people. The snakes described here live primarily in tropical regions, but some might be living in research centers and zoos near you. The snake with the world's deadliest venom. The bite of an inland or western taipan, Oxyuranus microlepidotus, also called, appropriately, the fierce snake, delivers a veritable witch's brew of toxins. The venom consists of taipoxin, a complex mix of neurotoxins, procoagulants, and myotoxins that paralyze muscles, inhibit breathing, cause hemorrhaging in blood vessels and tissues, and damage muscles. The largest relative of the cobra in Australia. The coastal taipan, Oxyuranus scutellatus, produces venom that is nearly identical to that of its inland cousin. Its bite is lethal in more than 80% of untreated cases. The longest venomous snake in the world. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world. Its bite delivers a tremendous amount of paralysis-inducing neurotoxins. The snake's venom is so strong and so voluminous that it can kill an elephant in just a few hours. Death also results in at least 50 to 60% of untreated human cases. A dangerous snake with a triangular-shaped cross-section. The banded krait is a highly venomous relative of the cobra. Its venom is essentially a neurotoxin that induces paralysis, the killer of the most people. The saw-scaled viper may be the deadliest of all snakes, since scientists believe it to be responsible for more human deaths than all other snake species combined. Its venom, however, is lethal in less than 10% of untreated victims, but the snake's aggressiveness means it bites early and often. The quintessential Australian cobra. The eastern tiger snake is the most widely distributed type of tiger snake, which inhabits the southern fringe of Australia and the region's nearby islands. As it prepares to strike, it flattens its head and neck in a manner similar to Asian and African cobras, one of the most dangerous snakes in Africa. The boomslang hunts by extending the forward part of its body, motionless from a tree, its form mimicking a branch. A rear-fanged snake, it delivers its venom by chewing on its victim until the victim succumbs to the toxins. The Barba amarilla of Latin America. The venom of some species, including the Okinawa habu, an aggressive snake that often enters human dwellings in the Ryukyu Islands, is mildly dangerous. On the other hand, the venom of the terciopelo, the fer-de-lance of Central America, is necrotizing, painful, and often deadly. Other dangerous fer-de-lances include the jararaca of Brazil and the wutu of Argentina, a dangerous African snake named for its black mouth. The black, or black-mouthed, mamba inhabits rocky savanna and can often be encountered on the ground, where it seems to be fond of termite mounds. Ranging in color from gray to dark brown, its name derives from the blackened inside of its mouth. The black mamba is feared because it is large and quick, and it possesses an extremely potent venom that kills most of its human victims. Despite its aggressive reputation, unprovoked attacks on humans have not been proved, and it is responsible for only a small number of deaths annually.